Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa, or you can say online visa, to travel to Bhutan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Bhutan immigration services portal. So the very first thing I would do, if I'm coming here for the first time, I'm gonna sign up. So I'm gonna put my name, email, and password that I wanna set up, and click on sign up. And the system will send a 6-digit code that I have to do for verification. Okay. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Hey guys, so I logged in after I did the verification. I mean, in the previous screen where you entered your name, email, and the password that you want to set up with your account. Then it sends 6-digit code that you have to verify, and they reach to this. Yes. Now at this place you can apply for tourist visa permit and many other things. Okay. But yes, the very first thing is to, you see all these options are disabled. The very first thing you have to do is to click on update details. You have to select agency type. If you're individual, select individual. Select your country, whatever it is. Phone number, you can check the calling code here that you, based on your phone that you have, and put your phone number and your address. Okay, and already they have. Put your correct phone number and other things. Don't do sample like me. Okay. Make sure it goes correctly. So I'm going to say on the next screen, like I'm too patient, very patient in the previous screen. You have to enter the details carefully. Okay. And you should not type too fast. Okay. And now when you come here, now see that warning has gone, and all the blue buttons are enabled. So I click on tourist visa. So it has given the specification what you need: passport, file, photograph, specifications also. So click on to start new applications. So you can click on add individual. Okay. So I'm gonna select passport and I have to upload. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see what. Okay. So in the next page, you have to go for your personal information. We're going to put your name, surname, date of birth, gender, passport number, passport type. I already filled. Nationality, country of birth, country of residence, and occupation. And verify every details at least 2 times. Once you are ready, click on next. So upload your photo. Okay. And next there's gonna be declaration and submission. So that we, of course, we are not gonna do. And for photo specification, they had already provided. So next, you gotta pay. Okay. So of course, like, you gotta pay, and if everything is granted, you're all good to go. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.